Welcome. In this video I will show you how to zoom in on Windows. So in order to zoom in on your device's display, you have to press and hold the Windows button and then press the plus button with it. This way you will enable Magnifier, and from now you can zoom in using plus icon on Magnifier, zoom out using minus icon, or alternatively you can use shortcuts Windows with plus and minus buttons, and this way you can also change the zoom level. And that's how you zoom in on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.